Hey, if you were looking for an account to help you build credit history, but you're having trouble finding someone that will approve you to do so, I think I have a product that's going to be perfect for you coming up. Hey everybody, Will Frazier here, your credit expert, bringing you the tips you need to get your credit back on track, because what goes down must come up. And if you don't want your credit score to drop 200 points, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll be notified of any new videos I drop just like this. So, the product that I'm about to mention to you, based on my recommendation, is going to work best for those of you who have never used any type of credit before to build credit, or for those of you that have used credit cards to build credit but you still haven't used a loan yet. Now I'm going to share with you 3 major benefits of this product, with the first major benefit of this product being that you get to make contributions towards a $500 savings. Now you can get started making contributions of as little as $20 a month, and the only thing they charge you is $1. So at the end of a year, you would have paid them $512, but you'll end up with a savings of $500. Now, if you've been trying to compare credit builder accounts and you're looking at other credit builder accounts that may charge an interest rate, to compare their $1 a month fee to those companies, you would be looking at a 4.6% APR. Now that second benefit is going to be that each contribution helps you build credit. It helps you to build credit because each contribution is a loan payment that is reported to all 3 credit bureaus, and it effectively helps you build credit. And that third benefit that I was talking about, well, basically they'll pay you up to $1,000. I'll talk more about that soon, so make sure you stay tuned to hear that part. Now, an interesting fact about this company is that their clients that had less than 3 accounts on their credit report reported an average credit score increase of 45 points. That's after 6 months of on-time payments. Now, some saw more, some saw less, but that 45 points is a great average to have. Now, this company that I'm talking about, they're called Seed5. And this company has a mission to help break the debt cycle in America, which is far too abundant if you ask me. And they really want to help you reach your financial potential. And if you didn't know, 47% of Americans either have no credit or bad credit, and 69% of Americans don't even have $1,000 saved up in their bank account. So this is why Seed5 started their credit builder plan to help address this issue. So let's go ahead and check them out. Okay, so here we are over at the Seed5 website, and you can see here we're looking at that credit builder plan, and you can see that this right here attests to what I was mentioning to you before. You don't need good credit or any credit to get a credit builder plan. This lets you know that they are here to work with you if you have trouble getting approved at other places to try to build your credit. So let's go ahead and take a look at how it works. First off, set aside as little as $10 out of every paycheck for your plan. All plans are special loans, where the full amount gets locked in your Seed5 savings account when you're approved. Build credit with every on-time plan payment. Your plan payments are actually loan payments that will be reported to the credit bureaus. Access your savings once you've completed your plan. We unlock your savings and give you access to your money when your loan is paid off in full. And also, let's go down here. What do you get? $500 in your Seed5 savings account, ready to access once you make your final payment. And this also attests to what I was mentioning earlier, that 45-point average credit score increase with on-time payments for those that have less than 3 accounts on their credit report and have made at least 6 on-time payments. Now, what does this cost you? You can pay anywhere from $10 to $40, and you can pay this either every 2 weeks, twice a month, or once a month. Now, again, what do they charge you? They charge you $1 or free with the referral. So this means, of course, that you can actually get rid of your $1 payment by just referring them somebody to sign up and build their credit as well. And that shouldn't be hard to do since they only charge $1 a month. Now, I also told you that I was going to tell you how you can actually get paid by Seed5. So after you have sent them the first referral and gotten your $1 a month wiped away, then every person that you refer to them after that, they will actually give you $10 per person, and you can do this for up to 100 people. Now, when you do the math on that, that equals $1,000 that they will give to you just for referring them people. So basically, you can help yourself by building up credit and refer other people to do the same thing to help themselves, and then you can actually get paid back some money for that. Now, that's a pretty good win-win situation. And as you can see, they charge no other fees other than $1 a month. Now, let's take a look at an example plan here. So you have a $500 savings for later, and then you access $0 now. And the reason for that is because unlike a traditional loan where you get the money up front, you are actually making contributions that are loan payments that are going towards your credit, but you won't receive that $500 at the beginning. You'll receive it at the end. And you can see the loan amount that will show up on your credit report is $500. You'll see that the APR is that 4.62%, and that is based off this finance charge of $11.96. And also you can see that's based off a number of payments that is total to be 26, and that is based on making $20 payments every 2 weeks. So all this is pretty simple, right? Okay, so let me share with you the qualifications that you need to have in order to get approved with Seed5. First off, it's important to know that they will not check your credit at all, so you will not have to worry about getting an inquiry. You have to be over the age of 18, you have to have a social security number, you have to have a bank account in the US, and you have to have a phone that can receive text messages. You have to live in one of the states in which they actually operate or service customers, and you also can't be a robot. So sorry for all the bots that's in the comments on YouTube, you can't sign up for a Seed5 account. And I know some of you may be wondering why it is that you have to connect your bank account in order to sign up for this product. And the answer is it gives you an easy way to set up your payments. You can set it on auto pay to come out of your paycheck automatically. Then you can set it and forget it. And then basically at the end, you'll have a $500 savings, and you would have built up your credit at the same time. A lot of companies offering some financial products now are fintech companies, and this is very common amongst those type of companies. And that, my friends, is the Seed5 Credit Builder account. Okay, you guys, I'm glad you stuck around to the end of the video. I hope you got some value from it and you saw how Seed5 can be useful to you. Make sure you click the link down in the description so that you can check them out for yourselves and see if they can help benefit you. I'll see you guys next time.